Monene Bernard Sosia nyarire kobaga ko boria abaibuli banyara koba maiso na kwenekia buna banyara koba kwena no burendi obo ikera no gochia ase abana chingaki echibagene tokoba bagosia ka chiskuru chiabo
nigo mana taire n'abana banyaruka nigo bagene babwenerete kurigererwa na wekwange ase ande na taire na nigo bagene babwenerete kwewa obosemia asentre ya moyo kubakonya wetanga kurwa seme chando au gatiabo amarito agenkyo na mono kuboria abaibuli kwenekia bunankuru totabare buna bana baba ase amasomabo.
I want to urge the parents as we are closing school. I want to ask parents and guardians that they take good care of our students while they are at home. It's a big challenge. The students are growing, they are adolescents. They need to be taught to so that they can adjust and go through this stage. So our parents take good care of them, talk to them. Currently, we don't allow corporal punishment as such, but at home, you can guide your child very well. Look at the results they are posting. They are coming home with report cards. Look at them and discuss their performance. We are also giving them assignments, which they should be taking or doing at home under the surveillance or under the care of the parent. So as a parent, take also your